sales order fulfillment and alert. So if you look in the back orders, and Jeffrey will demo this here in just a second. If you go to the back orders alert, and you look at a list of the back ordered items, and you right click on one of those items and say show details, it will take you to the sales order detail screen, which there's a very small version of that in the screenshot there. We'll show you a bigger one in just a second. But we use sort of a lightweight available to promise that logic in the supply order screen to suggest when we think and how we think you will fulfill that order that has not yet been fulfilled, whether that's an on-hand quantity that you currently have, or whether that's an open supply order that's coming in 2 weeks, and we think you will fulfill it then. So Jeffrey will jump into the application and walk you through that split screen.
All righty. So on the overall split screen, if you take a look here on the sales and we look at open sales orders, on the open sales orders, one of the things that you will note is we actually will flag items that are kind of in a back order status, so high, medium, low. So essentially, by clicking on one of these individual items, you will notice down here that we have the overall sales order fulfillment detail. So this is the information that's available. And again, there's additional information that's available on the screen here as well. So a little bit easier. Jeff, anything you particularly wanted to highlight on this individual screen here?
Nope, nothing other than the right click and the show details are taking you to the sales orders. No, you're actually at the sales order screen. So no, in this case, it's looking at each of the lines, and the system, again, sort of using that lightweight available to promise, saying what's going to fulfill that open order. Is it quantity that we currently have on hand, and so it just hasn't shipped out yet? Or do we actually not have it yet, and it's actually a future order? And then those supply order details to the right of the cursor there will show you when that shipment should arrive that will have the quantity or have enough quantity to fulfill the open sales order.
You can see as we're clicking around in here, it's going to give you the various options. So with that being said, kind of a nice handy feature and functionality to give you light available to promise as it relates to back orders.